Hey there. Okay, this is the unboxing day. Okay, so what we have here is a Steam controller in the original packaging. So I actually figured I'm gonna need some scissors, but apparently no, because there is just one pull over here, and voila. Okay, let's put it down here. So what you can see here is that we got the controller here and some really nice instructions on the top part here. Let's take the controller out for a second, and over here it's the puck. Okay, also in the bottom of the packaging, let me see if I can pull this out, we have absolutely nothing. So that's one of the things that we wanted to find out. And on the top side here, we have a USB cable and some instructions, which we are going to take a look a little bit later. Good. Okay, so the first feeling here, it's a little bit dusty, which is a bit odd for something that has been packaged. The overall first feel, it's not as people say that it's like Steam Deck. Steam Deck has, I don't know, it's a little bit different. I think Steam Deck has thumbs positioned a little bit more straight than this, so this is a little bit more like a PlayStation controller, but not as much as PlayStation controller, right, in terms of buttons. The sticks, so the sticks are a little bit like in between the PlayStation sticks and Steam Deck sticks. At least that's what my first feeling tells me. So everything is well positioned for my own thumbs, as it's clearly visible here, while the touchpads are not reachable in the normal position as you usually hold the controller. But if you like pull it upwards, I'm sure that you can use it normally. I have played one full, it's called Born Punk video game in the on Steam Deck, right, with the Steam Deck touchpad, and that works very well for games like point and click adventures. In terms of where the rest of the buttons are positioned, that feels like pretty normal to me. The travel of the triggers is a little bit more than on Xbox, I think, although that looks like they are shorter, but I don't know, it kind of feels like more, maybe I'm tripping, I don't know. I think that they're well positioned over here, and if I go down with the rest of my fingers, I can feel them just as much as I should. So that's good. And of course the puck over here goes here. That's pretty normal. The USB cable feels, I think, average quality, nothing special there. So I think that would be all for the unboxing video. Let me know down in the comments, what would you like to hear me talk about in terms of user experience with this device. I will be using it with my regular PC on Linux and with my Steam machine do-it-yourself PC, which currently runs Bazite. So that's going to be it for this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one.